So today the topic is gonna be a little bit different. It's about some competition in my city, and it's pretty elementary, or I mean the preliminary parts if you're new to competition. So I'm gonna do this 3 question for you and hope you guys enjoy it. And just don't think about derivative and calculus. We're gonna do it next class. So the first, we got polynomial p of x equals to x squared plus bx plus 3 plus c. It has roots -3 and 7. It's asking us to find out order pair b8, comma c. So we have to do first, we have to know a theorem, then Viete theorem. Viete theorem. So basically, if you are given a polynomial p of x, if it's quadratic, well, ax squared plus bx plus c. So Viete theorem means the sum of roots, which is root 1 plus root 2, equals to negative a over b, and the product of two roots equals to a over c over a, I mean, negative b over a and c over a. All right, for this one, we know that a is 1 here, and b we don't know, and c we don't know, but we have the two roots. So we multiply two roots together, which is -3 times 7 equals to c, because a is 1. So it directly equals to c. So c is -21. And for b, what we have to do is plus them together, which is -3 plus 7 equals to b. B is -4. Oh, b is +4. Oh, b is -4. So the order pair is -4, comma -21. All right, next one. Solve the equation below for x. Express your answers in terms of constant a and b. So this one, you figure out it's a cubic polynomial. So what we have to do is we can try to factor it first. So we plug x squared out first. What we got is x squared times x minus b. And we minus, so they both have, so a squared x plus a squared b, they both have a squared, so we plug a squared out. We left it's x minus b, because there's a negative sign here. We plug negative a square out, which gives us negative, which gives us a positive x and negative b. So in other words, we can factor it again. So because both two of them have x minus b. So x minus b times x squared minus a squared equals to 0, and x minus b times x plus a times x plus a, x minus b plus x times a. No. I mean x minus b times x plus a times x minus a, because x squared minus a squared equals to x plus a equals to x minus a, so equals to 0. And so what we got there, so x equals to b, a, and negative a. So that's the answer. All right, the last one, the roots of x squared plus bx plus c is different by 1. Express c in as a polynomial in terms of b. So it's asking us to substitute c in terms of b. So we have to do. So we know two roots, it's different by 1, so we can get our root 1 minus root 2 equals to 1. And according to Viete theorem, so we can get root 1 plus root 2 equals to negative a over b, which is negative b. So we solve this systematic equation, so we plot them together. What we got is root 1 plus root 1 equals to 1 minus b. So 2 root 1 equals to 1 minus b. Root 1 equals to 1 over b, 1 minus b over a, over 2. All right, what we have to do next. So there's another product. There's a product rule for Viete Theorem, so which we can use. So root one times root two equals to the c. All right. So we still have to figure out root two. So why don't we just plug root one into this function, into this systematic equation, and what we got is root one, which is 2 minus b minus root 2 equals to 1. So negative root 2 equals to 1 minus 1 minus b over 2. So root 2 is just equals to 1 minus b over 2 minus 1. And we change the form, which is negative 1 minus b over 2. All right, so what we have to do next is root 1 times root 2 equals to c. So we know root 1 is 1 minus b over 2, and root 2 is negative 1 minus b over 2. So multiply them together, which will get 4, and 1 minus b times negative 1 minus b, which is negative 1 minus b, which is we plug negative out for this one. So we plug negative out, so it becomes negative 1 minus b and 1 plus b. So it's negative 1 minus b squared. So it just becomes into negative 1 minus b squared, and it's over 4 because it's 2 times 2 for denominator. So that's a strict basic question. Hope you guys have I mean that a basic understanding of the computational math, and hope you guys are moving forward on this path. See you in the next video.